Welcome to this hot question video in association with Shop4 Electrical, quality branded products at discounted prices, your 24-hour online trade counter. Our question today is from Kevin Franks, and he asks, what is the difference between absence and presence detection? Well, in the case of presence detection, the detector is looking for movement to tell the connected lights to turn on. And then they continue to monitor for movement and are able to detect very small amounts of movement. In the case of the Lutron Vive, even as little as someone turning the page of a book. Absence detection, on the other hand, is similar to presence, but differs in one fundamental way. The absence detector will not turn the light on initially when it detects motion. There is a switch in place to allow the person entering the room to decide manually whether to turn the lights on or not. However, if the person entering the room does turn the lights on, the absence detector will then monitor the room for movement, much like the presence detector, and when it becomes apparent that the room is unoccupied, it will turn the lights off. So it basically boils down to whether a detector turns the lights on, making it presence detection, or a person turns the lights on, making it absence detection. So we hope this has answered your question, Kev. As you know, each hot question we answer wins a pot of chili jam, so enjoy that, and I'll be picking another question from our YouTube comments to answer tomorrow. So head over to the channel and see if any of our lockdown live feed videos trigger a question for you. All that remains to be said is, thank you very much for watching.